everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Sarah.
Hi, everyone, and I'm Alex. Today, we are going to talk about something very important and very simple, our daily routine.
We will speak slowly and naturally so you can understand and learn real English.
Just listen carefully and try to follow the meaning. Let's start.
Alex, let's start with the morning. I think morning time is very important for everyone. For me, I usually wake up early, around 6 o'clock. I don't like to wake up late because I feel the whole day becomes busy and stressful. After I wake up, I don't immediately use my phone. First, I take a little time to relax. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I take a shower and get ready slowly for the day. Then I have my breakfast. I usually prefer something simple like tea and bread or sometimes rice. After breakfast, I prepare myself mentally for work.
That's very similar to me. I also wake up around 6 o'clock, sometimes a little later if I feel tired. The first thing I do is stretch my body because it helps me feel active. Then I brush my teeth and freshen up. I always try to avoid checking my phone immediately in the morning because I feel it wastes time and affects my focus. After that, I take a shower and get ready. Breakfast is very important for me too. If I don't eat properly in the morning, I feel weak during the day. So I usually eat something light but healthy. Then I prepare for my work or studies.
During the day, I am mostly busy with my work. I am a teacher, so I spend a lot of time preparing lessons and teaching students. Before my classes, I always check my lesson plan and make sure everything is ready. When I teach, I try to make the class simple and easy for students to understand. I really enjoy teaching because I like helping students improve their English. Sometimes my day becomes very busy, especially when I have back-to-back classes. In between classes, I take short breaks, maybe drink some water or just relax for a few minutes.
I also stay busy during the day, but my routine is a little different. I usually focus on my studies and personal work. I try to manage my time properly because if I don't plan well, the whole day becomes messy. I also like to finish important tasks in the morning or early afternoon when I feel more energetic. Lunch is usually around 1 o'clock for me. After lunch, I sometimes feel a little sleepy, but I still try to continue my work. I think time management is very important for daily life.
In the evening, I usually feel a little tired after work. So when I come home, I don't start doing work immediately. First, I take some rest. I might sit quietly, drink something, or just relax my mind. Sometimes I also use my phone to check messages or watch something light. After that, I plan the next day. I think planning is very important because it helps me stay organized. If I don't plan, I feel confused the next day.
Yes, I agree with that. My evening routine is also about relaxing. After a long day, I don't want to do heavy work. I usually watch TV, listen to music, or just rest. It helps me reduce stress. But I also try to do something productive, like preparing for the next day or finishing small tasks. I think balance is important. Rest and work together.
At night, I try to sleep early, usually around 10 o'clock. I feel sleep is very important because it gives energy for the next day. Before sleeping, I sometimes think about my day and what I need to improve.
Yes, I also sleep around 10 or 10:30. I try not to use my phone too much before sleeping because it affects sleep quality. Good sleep makes the next day better.
So today, we had a natural conversation about daily routine in simple English.
We hope you understood real-life English speaking.
Now it's your turn. Try to speak about your daily routine in English.
Practice every day and improve step by step.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, subscribe for more easy English speaking podcasts every day.
Thank you for listening.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone.